For me kasi, I treat my songs as my best friends, you know. But for me, best friend in terms of situation in life.
Okay.
Like, may best friend ka nung ikaw ay nagtagumpay. May best friend ka naman nung ikaw ay medyo down ng iyong buhay.
Right.
And all that. So, and for me, best friend ko nung ako'y walang-wala is humanap ka ng pangit. Kasi syempre,
At that time,
I'm trying to prove myself to the industry na wala namang kakilala, wala akong, you know. But again, meron namang best friend nung ako'y medyo nakikreate na bilang rapper and movie actor. At ang best friend ko naman nun ay Andrew Ford Medina. Yan naman ang best friend mo kasi gumaganda yung buhay mo and things like that. But nung medyo to the hilt na yung tagumpay mo, meron ako mas best friend. Yun naman ay yung Binibirotsa. Yun yung nagawa kong kanta nung pa-asenso na at pabulusok na yung career ko. Kasi 97 came, nauso yung mga piracy, di ba? Pinasok ng piracy yung industry. And now that nakatikim ako ng konting kasikatan, biglang nawala naman. So for me, let's take a look for greener pasture. Ang greener pasture na tinutukoy ko was Japan.
Yes.
Okay.
And Japan I was so lonely with nobody. And sama mo pa yung downslope of career.
Okay.
Sama-sama, everything. Now came my another best friend, which is Banyo Queen.
Banyo Queen.
Ang ginaw para kung nasa Roppongi.